Yeah, that's a great question. Obviously it's a lot of time to get a PhD, and it's a lot, frankly, a struggle. There's really no two ways about it. And on the one hand, I'd say the only reason to get a PhD is because you can't imagine not doing it, and it's just something where you have to realize that it's going to be suffering for quite a number of years. And when you get to the other side of it and you get into a real job, certainly in venture, uh, I think it's a very real question to ask. Well, was it worth it? For me, I think more than anything else, a PhD taught me a certain way of thinking that certainly I think has helped. And it's kind of similar actually to the style of thinking that you do in venture. So a successful PhD is all about being able to scope out the following questions. Number one, what can you do that's impactful? Number two, how does it relate to what's been done before? Number three, can this be done in a reasonable amount of time? Number four, what amount of resources is it going to take to get there? And that's exactly the same types of questions that you ask when you think about building a company and funding it. So I think it was very, very helpful just in terms of establishing that mindset and giving me that background for diligence. But again, I would say it certainly wasn't a means to an end. It was definitely something that I did just because I felt like I had to, from an internal view.